power set. So power set, we all know, is set of all subsets of a set. So have you ever thought how many elements in a power set, how to calculate that? So we know that if we say we denote this power set by this notation, P of A means power set is collection of all subsets of set A. This is power set of A. Okay, so if I know A is a, what happens if A is a null set? So there is no element in A. So how many subsets A have? Only one subset, right? Phi itself is a subset of itself, and phi is also subset of all the sets. So power set of phi will be what? 1, right? If A is a singleton set, say 1, how many sets are there in power set of A? The singleton set one. So this will be what? Phi is there, and then this set is there. Anything else? No, these two are the only element of this set. So there are two elements. If I say number of let's put it this way, number of element in P of A is 2. In this case, what happens if A is having some n number of elements in it? Okay, so 1, 2 up to n. So then it's very difficult to count this number. Power set of A, how many elements it will have? Yes, this is 2 to the power n. But how you reach to this point? Let's derive it. So if we write like this, we keep writing like this, so we finally say NC0, NC1. This is kind of binomial expression. If for single phi is 1, for singleton set it's 2, so and so on. For 3 element we will have some 8 subset of power in power set. So if we keep writing like this, so we'll end up to this point, NCN. So if I see, we can say that let's say binomial expansion, right, for 1 plus 1 to the power n, we can say that, right? If we write it like this, we can say this is a binomial expansion if x equal to 1. So we will reach to this point at 2 to the power n. So that's how we get this number. Number of element in power set of any set is 2 to the power number of element in that particular set. So that's good enough on this derivation of this. So let's do some question related to this. Okay, so the question is, if I have two sets, two finite sets A and B, okay, and number of elements in A is equal to P, number of element in B is equal to Q, and total number of subset of A, total number of subset of A is 56. more than total number of subset of B. So I have to find P and Q. So any idea how to start this question? So what we know, there are two finite sets with number of elements P and Q, and total number of subsets of A is 56 more than total number of subsets of B. So I know total number of subset of A is a power set of A. So number of element is, we can say, 2 to the power P, and total number of subset of B means power set of B will have total number 2 to the power Q, and it's given that 2 to the power P minus 2 to the power Q is equal to 56. So one thing is obvious, that P is greater than Q, right? And they are positive real numbers since they are a number of elements in sets. So where P comma Q belongs to natural numbers, right? So if I take 2 to the power Q common, then what I'll have? 2 to the power P minus Q minus 1, that is equal to 56. So now this is something tricky. So now we have to see how to solve this. So what I'll suggest, let's factorize 56 into the power of 2. So let's do that. So what I will get? 28, 14, 7. So I can write this equation as, this is equation 1. Equation 1 as 2 to the power Q into 2 to the power P minus Q minus 1 as 2 to cube into 7. And if I rewrite it like this, because I need to get this number into 2 to the power 2 cube minus 1. So now I can compare these power, right? Because it's the same equation with 2 to the power. So I can say Q is equal to 3 and P minus Q is again 3. So now using this value of Q, I will find value of P here. So this is P minus 3 is equal to 3. What will happen when this 3 will go other side? P is equal to 6. So now I have got the values that number of element in set A is 6 and number of element in set B is equal to 3. Then it's a beautiful application of this theorem of number of element of a power set. Isn't it good? So now let's move on to some other concepts. So that's it about this video, and we will be discussing more on power set and that related questions in next videos. And if you have any question, you can just post me. Thank you very much.